Hi,
Hi,
it's good.
how are you?
What? Who are
How
you?
are you?
Who are you or how are you?
How are you?
How are you? We're
Fine,
good.
really
We're
good.
good. How are you? We're
I am
good.
very good. And where are you from? Your accent like you are Arab or
Yeah,
something.
we're Arab. Yeah, 100% Arab.
No,
Dubai.
you are lying.
You know Dubai. Dubai. Yeah.
Oh, you
The
have rich money
yeah.
then.
Money. Yeah, bro.
Oh my God. By the way, I am opposite of you. Or I am from India and I don't have money. I am a poor person.
Oh, you come to Dubai, I give you money.
Oh
You
shit.
give me visa. I need a visa. Actually, I am here for looking for American girl for green pass.
Oh, so
Oh,
sad. No
Arab.
Americans.
Arab.
No Americans.
Only Arabs. Huh?
Only Arab, yes. By, it's no difference between you and Americans. You have more money than Americans. So I
Right.
actually like to marry
Vulgar
you.
accent.
Money.
That is so bad. Why would you do that?
Me, a conjuice banda. I give no money. All for myself.
You said you have money.
Yeah, a lot of money. Yeah.
Yes. What is your car?
My car, Lamborghini.
Lamborghini. Oh
No,
my
no,
god.
Lamborghini.
Yes, Lamborghini. I have a foot cycle.
Lamborghini.
You know bicycle, foot cycle.
Oh, that's amazing.
It's
Oxygen, you
not
know?
amazing, man. It's not amazing.
Oxygen. Yeah.
Yes. Oxygen, yes. We don't have oxygen either.
By not doing pollution. That's the good
You
thing.
you are helping plants. Carbon dioxide.
I no help, no poor, no oxygen, no nothing.
Good, such a good ceremony. He's like, oh, sir,
You,
sir, listen to me.
you are speaking Hindi.
Hindi.
Yes,
We no Hindi.
Sir, listen to me.
No Hindi.
yes,
Only
yes.
Punjabi.
So you
No,
said you are from Dubai.
Huh?
Sir, listen to me. You've been
Yes,
Shut
yes,
up.
madam, tell me.
Quiet.
Sir, listen to me. You've been punked. She is from Punjab. She has no money.
What he does.
She does not even have a degree.
She's
sir.
broker than you. To be honest, you can afford headphones. She can't. So
Sir.
why do you think we are sitting here without headphones? You know we
She
can't
does
even
not
afford
have
that.
money. She does not have degree. Also.
I am 18. No job. Broke.
By the way, you have one thing that I need.
Huh?
What?
You have one thing that I need.
What?
One.
You know that because I am having sex with my cat. So you have,
What?
and
That is
I
so
can.
Bloody animal abuser. No, no.
I need to call up PETA.
So,
सर तुम्हारा नाम नंबर दो हम तुमको रिपोर्ट करेगा
Wait, wait.
For what I am reporting?
साइकेट्रिस्ट का अपॉइंटमेंट डाल के देगा.
For what I know need psychiatrist. I have you and I can have sex with you, not my
No,
cat.
no, you cannot do any such.
No,
Sir, you're doing it with your cat. There's no doing it with you.
Yeah.
Sir, you should get psychiatrist, physical, mental, health.
Every kind of psychiatrist.
I
I
got
am
what?
sir. Sir, give me your name, number. I got to report you, sir.
My name is Suraj Khanna.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Peter, call लगाओ रे.
What is your name? What is your name? नाम क्या है?
I am not giving you my name.
No, sir. You
नाम
look
क्या है?
dangerous man.
No, why are you calling me dangerous man? नाम क्या है?
Not you, sir.
Sir, you talk very much bloody things.
Sir, I have
Just
card
my
for my
cat
life.
you have here. Wait, just give me 1 second. One second, my cat is here.
I give you two. Go.
1 second.
Sir, stay away from your cat. Let your cat go. Let her go. Sir, the cat. Sir, please let her
Here is
go.
my cat.
Sir, free her. We do not want to see shit.
No man, I am not having sex
Run
here.
now. Crack his face.
Baby, run. Run, baby, run to Dubai.
You cat. You meow meow. Come here.
Sir, please let her go. You get some help.
I am having a condom with her.
This
You know.
idiot. Oh my
No,
god.
sir, please, sir,
No,
please
no,
stay
sir.
away from her. We
Sir,
love
we
animals.
don't accept the jokes about such bastard things.
I am not joking. I am 30 years old man. Hurry. I have no wife, no kids, no money, no house.
Sir, go
I am
find
living
a
for
boyfriend
rent.
and leave the cat alone.
No, you
Why-
go
why-
for job first. Then girls come.
Sir,
30
do you have a job?
30 and Nalla? What the hell, bro?
Sir, she has a job. She's 23. Sir, do you
Oh
have
my
a
God,
job?
sir. Please go to kitchen, get a bucket of water and die.
Shut up.
No,
I
sir,
can't die with
sir.
what bucket of water.
Sir, do you have a job?
Sir. You take the bucket like this.
Arey, you shut up.
How can I explain it?
No, no. Sir, do you have a job?
I don't have job.
So, sir, what are you doing, sir? How do you expect to get a girl if you don't have a job?
Yeah.
I don't have. I am doing just having sex with my cat for
No,
all
no,
day.
no.
Please
Do you know
don't
how
do
to clean
that.
the house?
Please don't do
Sir,
that.
sir, do you know how to clean the house? Jhadu pocha.
Yes, I know because I was a toilet cleaner
Okay.
before.
So you do
I
know
lost
that.
my job because I stolen underpants from a custom.
You
Sir,
come.
you've got a lot of problems, sir.
You come.
Sir, you need help, sir.
For what, man?
Sir, I'll send you a number of a psychiatrist near you. You go there, sir.
I have no money for psychiatrist. That's the problem.
You get some little help. Leave your cat alone.
Leave the cat alone. Leave.
We do not
Again,
like.
leave the cat alone.
We do not like jokes about.
Animal cruelty. I cannot do that.
No.
Kill
A big no.
Sir, please leave the
I'll
cat
kill
alone.
you in one go. Slash.
You girls are most dangerous girls I ever see in my life.
We are dangerous. You're the
You
one
are
tormenting the
not
cat. We are trying to save the cat, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
exactly.
sir,
We're trying to
please.
say the
Cat is fine. Cat is very fine.
Are you sure, sir?
Yes.
Sir, please leave her alone now. She is the only company you have right now, sir.
Yes, sir.
Exactly. What if
Respect
भाग
her.
भाग गई फिर क्या करना है?
Yes, sir.
Please speak in English because I don't understand your language. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
You don't get Hindi. You're Indian.
Yeah,
You
he's
don't
like
get
from South
Hindi.
India, na?
Yeah.
Sir, see,
Yeah, that is some
Doesn't
real
look like
problem.
a South.
cat lady is there, cat man is also there. You can become a cat man, but if you do not treat the cat right,
No!
so that
You-
is like
You
very
leave
bad,
the cat outside.
So, sir, please respect the cat.
Then who will feed him?
Arey, people will feed him, but what you're doing, you're not supposed to do with the cat. Sir, leave the cat alone.
God will feed him. You. Yeah.
You please leave
Okay,
him alone.
I'm leaving alone. But I need you for.
No, you
for
are
that.
not.
Bitch,
You need help.
Sir, you need
You
help.
don't need me. You need help.
you need help.
Yeah, I help from you.
Therapy.
No, sir, that won't do anything for you.
Ganda.
Then I will marry three of you because I can afford you.
Yeah,
We
we don't want to.
Hold up.
We beat you. And then
No,
you
no,
die.
no, we don't want to. Not even 0.00001%.
Look, I am very handsome, right? Like, you know.
Does not matter, na, sir.
Does not
I
matter.
do not care.
We do not. No.
Sir, see, she's 23, she has a job. I am 20 and I almost have an engineering degree.
And this
She's
girl,
18.
she's underage, for God's sake.
Yeah, sir. You should really calm down.
No, but I'm a violent woman. I
Yeah.
kill you.
She can.
She will kill
I
you.
vouch for it. I have done a lot of
I understand I am a bad person.
Sir, yes, sir.
ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਅਤਿਆਚਾਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦਾ ਮਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਪੀਡੋਫਾਈਲ ਹੀ ਰਹੇ
Sir, see.
women violence what all
हाँ,
I support man violence I kill you
No. Killing person is no good.
Stop doing that to your cat.
yeah
No,
if you don't
killing
stop
person
that
is no good at all.
What person is no good at all?
huh?
Killing person no good at all.
The jobless person not
No,
good at
sir,
all, na?
we kill people who do shit like
Nah,
Yeah.
we don't need to. But jobless person also not good, na?
yeah jobless no bro
I'm sorry, sir. You need to get a job.
yes you gotta get a job
Okay, I will get a job. If I have job, you will marry me. Tell me.
no
No, sir.
We'll talk about this the next time we meet. Sure.
yeah
If you have a
So
job,
how I can contact you? Please give your
Okay,
Instagram
sir,
or
we-
something.
That depends upon fate, you know. If we met this
leave that
time,
to
we
fate
can.
leave that to God
We'll meet again if the fate,
And sir,
the fate,
free the cat.
and free the cat, please.
please
Give
Sir,
your
go get a
Instagram.
job.
I will tell you all the information and I will give you money for your education and your
Sir, you
all
don't
the
have
things.
a job. Where do you get the money, sir? What? a
I was
job.
lying about me. Actually, I
can't-
have a wife.
you
No,
can't
I
watch-
have a girlfriend.
You have a girlfriend?
So you have
Yes.
a girlfriend and you're flirting with other people. So that's
And
cheating.
you're having sex with your cat.
And you're having sex with your cat. And you know, give me your girlfriend's
Yes,
number. I
sir.
really want to talk to her.
Bring the girlfriend, sir.
Yeah, bring the girlfriend. Let's talk to her.
Bring the girlfriend.
Bring the girlfriend.
Come here.
I want to talk
Come
to the
here.
girlfriend, sir.
Come here right now. Come here. Come here. Come here. These
Hi.
three girls, these three Indian girls need to meet
You
my
idiot.
girlfriend. You come
Hey,
here.
you
You come
guys,
here.
it-
You come here. You come here. Come here. Sit down here.
Oh my god, how is that? What?
wrong.
I was talking to her.
No,
Sir.
no. She.
Sir, you are doing very wrong.
You
This is wrong. How did you do that? I was talking to her.
Sir,
No. That's not good. That's not good at all.
sir, you need to talk to her properly, sir.
You deserve to be
You
killed.
need to respect her.
Idiot.
No. I'm beating her every day.
Oh my
Bro, oh my god, sir, you're disgusting, by the way.
You really need to give me your name and number. I really need to contact the police right now.
No.
Because your location I sent you to jail.
That's not gonna happen.
Shut up.
Sir, get a job and treat women right, sir.
Exactly.
And
No.
also animals.
Animal women.
Now you're making me angry, sir.
Women have to show up.
Chappal and lath, sir.
No, I'll show you this.
I am not a feet lover
Oh my god,
like
don't
this.
do it.
I do not want to see, sir.
Leave those swords. We don't want to puke. We just stayed.
Sir,
We just stayed stop.
sir, listen to me. Get a job, treat women right, and also treat animals right. Sir, you just made my night hell, sir. Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, sir.
No. Yo, please give your Instagram. We can discuss about
Yeah,
this.
sir. Fuck you, sir.